Self-practice 4.12, question 3. Given that log 32 is t, express the following in terms of t. Okay, so here they gave us in base 3. So if we have other than base 3, we have to change it. So log 29, we change it to base 3 lah. So when you want to change base, you write log 3, big number goes on top, small number goes below. So log 3, 9 is basically 3 squared. So I can say log 3 squared over log 3, 2. And then 2 I can bring forward. So this one becomes 2 log 3 over log 3, 2. Log 3 is just 1. So on top there will be 2 times 1, which is just 2. Then log 3, 2 is given in the question. Log 3, 2 is t. So answer is 2 over t. That's it. Okay. B. Log 9, 8. Same thing. We change to base 3 first. Log 3. So big number goes on top. Small number goes below. So 8 is 2 cube. So you can change that to 2 cube. And 9, same like just now, is 3 squared. So these powers we can bring forward. So 3 log 3, 2 over 2 log 3, 3. Log 3, 2 we already know lah. Log 3, 2 is t. So I can say 3t. Log 3, 3 is just 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. Done. Okay, C. Log 2, 18. Same thing. We change the base to base 3. Log 3 over log 3. Big number goes on top. Small number goes below. 18 is 9 times 2. So we can say log 3 square times 2. Okay, 3 square is 9 lah. 9 times 2 is 18. Over log 3, 2. Okay, then on top here we can split. Since this is times, the whole log will become 3 square plus log 3, 2. Okay, plus if we split it, times if we split it, it will become plus over log 3, 2. 2 we can bring forward. So we get 2 log 3, 3 plus log 3, 2 over log 3, 2. 3, 3 is just 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. Log 3, 2 is t over t. Done. Okay, let's erase all this. We make way for question D. Log 2, 9 over 4. So if we have division, this one we can make it minus. So log 2, 9 minus log 2, 4. Log 2, 9 is log 2, 3 square. Wait. Sorry. We never changed the base. We need to change base to base 3 first. So log 3. The big number goes on top. Small number goes below. So on top here, now we can split. Since this is divide, we can make it log 3, 9 minus log 3, 4 over log 3, 2. 9 is just 3 squared. 4 is 2 squared over log 3, 2. 2 we can bring forward. These 2 we can bring forward. So 2 log 3, 3 minus 2 log 32 over log 32. Log 33 becomes 1. So this is 2 times 1 times 2 log 32, which is t, and log 32 again, which is t. So this will be our final answer lah. That's it.